Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 33, tissues. In this worksheet we will learn about connective tissue and nervous tissue. जिज्ञासा दीदी, is blood also a type of tissue? क्या blood भी type of tissue होता है? ज्ञान, those tissues whose cells are loosely spaced and are embedded in a intercellular matrix are known as कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. कनेक्टिव टिश्यू क्या होते हैं बच्चों? whose cells are loosely spaced. cells loosely spaced होते हैं and embedded in a intercellular matrix. मैट्रिक्स में धसे होते हैं. is known as connective tissue. blood is also a kind of connective tissue. there are two main components of connective tissue. कितने components होते हैं connective tissue में? two. First one is cellular component, means cell of the tissue, and second intercellular matrix. Second part is matrix. This matrix can be jelly-like, fluid, dense or rigid. It may be jelly-like or fluid means liquid, it may be liquid, it may be dense or rigid means hard. The nature of matrix depends upon the specific function performed by the connective tissue. तो नेचर जो है मैट्रिक्स का किस पर डिपेंड होता है? स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन परफॉर्म बाय द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज आर ब्लड इज ए कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. बोन, हड्डियाँ, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. कार्टिलेज क्या होता है बच्चों? सॉफ्ट बोन. ligament means fiber which join bone to bone. tendon क्या होते हैं? fiber which join muscle to bone. areolar and adipose, all these are different types of connective tissue. Now we will discuss about blood. What is blood and what are the components of blood? It has liquid matrix known as plasma. Blood की matrix को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? It has liquid matrix, liquid form में होती है and that is called plasma. Plasma is a yellowish fluid or liquid in which three different types of cells are freely suspended. इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं. क्या घूमते रहते हैं? Three different types of cells called RBC, red blood corpuscles, WBC, white blood corpuscles, and platelets. These three different types of cells are freely suspended in the plasma of the blood. It flows and transport gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormones, excretory substances, etc. from one part of the body to another. So this is the function of blood. It transported different substances from one part of the body to another. Now, Jigyasa Didi, how do we respond immediately to any stimuli? Gyan, we know that response to stimuli is the characteristic feature of all organisms. सारे organisms का क्या है ये characteristic feature? To response to stimuli. All cells possess the ability to respond according to the stimuli. अलग अलग stimuli के according cells जो हैं respond करते हैं. These stimuli are very rapidly transmitted from one part of the body to other by a specialized tissue. This tissue is known as nervous tissue. तो nervous tissue का क्या function है? Transmit the stimuli from one part of the body to the other. Now nervous tissue. nervous tissue के बारे में जानेंगे अब हम. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves are all composed of nervous tissue, hence it forms the nervous system. So, nervous system composed or contain brain, spinal cord, and nerves. All these three compose the nervous system. Structure of now the functional unit of the nervous tissue is called neuron. न्यूरॉन क्या होता है बच्चों? न्यूरॉन इज द फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द नर्वस टिश्यू. तो नर्वस टिश्यू की फंक्शनल यूनिट क्या कहलाती है? न्यूरॉन. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूरॉन. देयर आर 3 मेन पार्ट ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स. न्यूरॉन्स के कितने मेन पार्ट होते हैं? 3. फर्स्ट वन इज डेंड्राइट्स, second one is cell body, and third one is axon and nerve ending. These are the 3 main parts of the neuron. This one is cell body, this one is axon, and these branched structure are called dendrites. So nucleus, cytoplasm and other organelles are present in the cell body of the neuron. सेल बॉडी के अंदर क्या क्या होते हैं? सेल बॉडी कंटेन न्यूक्लियस, दिस वन, साइटोप्लाज्म एंड अदर ऑर्गेनलीज. यूजुअली ईच न्यूरॉन हैज़ अ सिंगल लॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एक्सॉन. ईच न्यूरॉन हैज़ सिंगल लॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एक्सॉन. This one is called axon, and with many short branched parts called dendrites arises from the cell body. Dendrites कहाँ से arise होते हैं? These are branched part and arises from the cell body, and these are called dendrites. Many nerve fibers bound together by connective tissues and make up a nerve fiber or nerve. Nerve tissues bound together and form nerve. Now the function of neuron. What are the function of neuron? The electrical signal transmitted through nerve fiber is called nerve impulse. जो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल ट्रांसमिट होता है नर्व के थ्रू, दैट इज कॉल्ड नर्व इम्पल्स. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? नर्व इम्पल्स. Dendrites of one neuron remain in contact with the nerve ending of other neuron. एक न्यूरॉन के डेंड्राइट्स जो हैं वो दूसरी न्यूरॉन के नर्व एंडिंग से कांटेक्ट में रहते हैं एंड ट्रांसमिट द नर्व इम्पल्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी टू द ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. जो नर्व इम्पल्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, बॉडी के सारे पार्ट से मिलने वाले नर्व इम्पल्स को ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. न्यूरॉन्स सेंड एंड रिसीव सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम द ब्रेन. और न्यूरॉन्स का क्या फंक्शन है? दे सेंड द सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम द ब्रेन एंड रिसीव द सिग्नल फ्रॉम द ब्रेन. नाउ चेक योर सेल्फ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज What are connective tissue? Connective tissue क्या होता है? Explain with example. So connective tissue क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Tissues, those tissues whose cells are loosely spaced and are embedded in a intercellular matrix are known as connective tissue. Blood is also a connective tissue. There are two components of connective tissue. First one is cells, cellular component, and second one is intercellular matrix. So this is the connective tissue or answer of first question. Second question. Second question is write the main function of nervous tissue. So what is the main function of nervous tissue? The main function of nervous tissue is to receive stimuli and send signals to the brain and spinal cord. So what is the main function of nervous tissue? To receive stimuli and send signal to the brain and spinal cord. This is the main function of nervous tissue. Your third question is, draw a well-labeled diagram of neuron. आपको क्या बनाना है? You have to draw the labeled diagram of neuron. So this diagram is given to you. You have to draw this picture or diagram, which is a labeled diagram of neuron. Next question. Name a connective tissue which has liquid matrix and also write its function. तो ऐसे कनेक्टिव टिश्यू का नाम बताना है बच्चों जिसकी मैट्रिक्स जो होती है वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में होती है. तो ऐसा कौन सा कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है? ब्लड. सो यू हैव टू राइट द फंक्शन ऑफ ब्लड एंड नेम and structure of blood. Blood, it has a liquid matrix called plasma, and plasma is a yellowish fluid or liquid in which three different types of cells, RBC, WBC and platelets are freely suspended. It flows and transport gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormone, excretory substances, etc. from one part to the another. So this is the blood connective tissue and function of blood. Thanks for watching.